Welcome to Utilitarian TV. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a simple thumbnail using Inshot mobile application. So let's get started. Utilitarian TV. Are you familiar with the Inshot mobile application? If you have it installed, open it. Then click on photo. So we want to make a thumbnail that look like this one, a very simple thumbnail, just like this. Then you select the image you want to use. After selecting the image, you give it a background color. In this case, I'll add a black background to this image here. I added a black background. Then I'll click on the canvas to change the size to YouTube size, which is 16:9. Then I'll click on the mark button. After that, I'll adjust the image to the size I want. So I'm adjusting it here. So after adjustment, the next thing to do is to add other images. Maybe you have another image you want to add to this thumbnail. You now click on sticker. After clicking on sticker, you click on this image logo here. After clicking on image logo, you now select the add button to add the image from your gallery. So you select the image you want to add. After that, then you adjust it. You adjust it to the size you want. After adjustment, you now click the mark button here. The next is to add text to the thumbnail. Click text and add your text to the thumbnail. Click here to change the font. Select the font you want. Then you can also add color by clicking here. Make adjustment. Can also add outline to it. Border, which is the outline. Then the opacity. That is how transparent you want the text to be. Then adjust the text to fit the image. There are many other features here that you can add, like frame, filter, effects, and many more. You just need to make it more fancy so that your thumbnail can look good and simple. There is one last thing I want you to know about an image that has a background color on it. It is recommended that you crop the background from the image before you use it in making thumbnail with Inshot application. Check my video above on how to crop background from image. All you need to do is crop the background from the image and save it as PNG, that is with a transparent background, and use it for your thumbnail on Inshot mobile application. So I think this thumbnail looks so simple and more fancy. Just click on save to save it to your gallery, and that's all for this video. In case if you have any doubt, kindly drop your comment below. I will respond to every single of your comment. And if you found this video very useful and you enjoy it, kindly click the like button, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in my next video.